How to build a cheap gaming PC Part 1. Just think, want a gaming PC but don't want to spend a fortune? You're in the right place. Welcome to Garcar AI Tech, your go-to channel for smart, budget-friendly computer DIY hacks. In this episode, we'll start the journey to building a gaming PC for the lowest possible cost. But hold on, this isn't a full build guide just yet. Instead, we're breaking it down into key parts so you can get the best bang for your buck. First, we'll talk about choosing the right components, what's worth buying new, and what you can get secondhand. Then, we'll look at some surprising places where you can score cheap parts. Finally, we'll discuss how to avoid common mistakes that could cost you more in the long run. Keep watching, because in the next episodes, we'll dive deeper into each step, making sure you get a powerful setup without breaking the bank. By the end of this series, you'll have a fully working gaming PC without overspending. Let's get started.